Hey everyone. As a seller, we very often receive a handful of messages that we frequently answer for our buyers. So rather than rewrite the same message each time, you can now create some templates within Seller Central for the most common messages that you send to your buyers. So this is a pretty cool feature that is part of the buyers sellers messages. You can also access this by clicking on messages in the top right corner of Seller Central. And also, if you need to contact a buyer, you can go in your order and click on Contact Buyer page. So in this example, I will show you from messages in Seller Central. You want to click on Manage Email Templates. And this is where you will create a template. So to create a template, you click on Create Template. Give the template a name. So for example, we'll say Invoice Request, or let's call it VAT Invoice Request. And this one, I'll do it as someone who's not VAT registered. And you can choose as a favorite because it's going to be one that you use regularly. You can also add a placeholder there if you want to customize your response template. So you add some placeholders that will automatically replace with the correct information. So for example, you can say buyer name, you can say order ID. So let's go ahead and type some things. So in this one, for example, you would say, dear buyer name, many thanks for your recent purchase. Please note that we are a non-VAT registered business, so unable to provide you with a VAT invoice. However, please find attached a standard invoice for order, and then you put the order ID for your records. And then I usually start with many thanks for your recent purchase, because again, it's just acknowledging that they have purchased from you. And I would end with something along the lines of, we hope this is satisfactory for you and hope to count you as one of our esteemed customers again very soon. So inviting them to buy from us again. So kind regards, Steve, wonderful company. So from there, you would click on Save, and that becomes a saved template. Now let's look at creating one for a company that is VAT registered. So you go to Manage Email Templates again, and you can see the one we've just done. So create a template, and this one we'll call it Invoice Request, or VAT Invoice Request, and this is for a seller that is VAT registered. This is going to be one of your favorites. Again, the placeholders. And we would put something very similar. So dear buyer name, many thanks for your purchase. Please find attached a VAT invoice for order ID for your records, and sign, and you just click on save. And again, this is saved now as one of your templates. So if you went back to email templates, you will see here your pre-saved templates. If you wish to edit or delete a template, you just click on Edit or Delete. If you are editing an email template, make sure to click Save when you've completed your revisions. And if you are deleting a template, just click on Delete and then confirm the deletion when you are prompted with the question, are you sure you want to delete this template? So there you have it. Email templates can now be stored in Seller Central for messages that you send frequently to buyers.